Welcome to my channel, where we explore tech tutorials and uncover history's secrets. Subscribe and join the journey. Imagine looking up at the night sky and seeing thousands of tiny stars, not twinkling, but moving in unison. These are not stars in the traditional sense, but satellites launched by SpaceX, a company founded by Elon Musk. These satellites form a constellation called Starlink, and their purpose is to beam high-speed internet access to every corner of the globe, even the most remote and underserved areas. Starlink is more than just a satellite internet provider. It represents a paradigm shift in how we connect to the internet. Traditional satellite internet has been plagued by high latency, slow speeds, and unreliable connections. Starlink aims to change that by deploying a massive network of satellites in low Earth orbit, much closer to Earth than traditional geostationary satellites. This proximity reduces latency, making online gaming, video conferencing, and other real-time applications much smoother. Starlink's impact goes beyond just providing internet access. It has the potential to bridge the digital divide, connecting communities that have long been left behind.
Starlink's ability to deliver high-speed internet from space relies on a complex and interconnected system of satellites, ground stations, and user terminals. These satellites are launched into low Earth orbit by SpaceX's Falcon 9 rockets, constantly circling the globe at an altitude of around 550 kilometers. The lower orbit of Starlink satellites results in significantly lower latency, the time it takes for data to travel from a user's device to a server and back. On the ground, Starlink operates a network of ground stations strategically located around the world. These ground stations are connected to the internet backbone and act as gateways between the satellites and the wider internet. The user terminal, a small white dish often referred to as a Starlink dish, is the final piece of the puzzle. This dish is equipped with motors that allow it to automatically track Starlink satellites as they move across the sky, ensuring a continuous and stable internet connection. This sophisticated system allows Starlink to provide internet access with speeds comparable to, and in some cases even exceeding those of traditional wired and wireless broadband services. While Starlink sets its sights on the stars, Jio and Airtel have been diligently laying the groundwork for a digital revolution on the ground. These Indian telecom giants have invested heavily in building out extensive fiber optic and wireless networks, connecting millions of people across the country to the internet. Jio, known for its disruptive entry into the Indian telecom market in 2016, has rapidly expanded its fiber-to-the-home network, offering gigabit-speed internet connections in major cities and towns. Airtel, one of India's oldest and largest telecom providers, has also been expanding its fiber optic network, particularly in urban and suburban areas. The company has also invested heavily in 4G and 5G wireless technologies, providing high-speed internet access to mobile users across the country. Both Jio and Airtel have made significant strides in connecting urban and suburban areas, but challenges remain in reaching remote and rural communities. Laying fiber optic cables in these areas can be prohibitively expensive and logistically challenging due to difficult terrain and scattered populations. This is where the partnership with Starlink comes into play, offering a potential solution to bridge the digital divide and bring internet access to even the most remote corners of India. Section 4. A Meeting of Giants, the March 2025 Partnership. The announcement in March 2025 sent shockwaves through the global telecom industry. Starlink, the satellite internet venture of Elon Musk's SpaceX, had partnered with not one but both of India's telecom giants, Jio and Airtel. This unexpected alliance marked a significant shift in the landscape of internet connectivity, particularly in a nation striving for digital inclusion. Initially, both Jio and Airtel had expressed reservations about Starlink's entry into the Indian market. However, the March 2025 agreement signaled a recognition of the potential synergies between their seemingly disparate approaches. The partnership is structured as a distribution and infrastructure sharing agreement. Jio, with its extensive retail network, will begin offering Starlink dishes and internet plans through its stores across India. Airtel, on the other hand, will focus on leveraging Starlink's technology to enhance its enterprise solutions, offering high-speed, low-latency internet connectivity to businesses in remote locations. Expanding internet access in rural India has always been a challenge. With vast stretches of remote and underserved areas, traditional infrastructure has struggled to keep pace. By leveraging Starlink's satellite technology, even the most isolated villages can gain access to reliable high-speed internet. This initiative is not just about connectivity, it's about empowerment. Pricing, regulations, and technical hurdles are significant factors that will influence the success of this ambitious partnership. Ensuring affordable pricing for rural and economically disadvantaged populations is crucial. Regulatory approvals from the Indian government are another critical aspect. Clear guidelines and a supportive regulatory framework will be essential for the partnership to thrive. Overcoming these hurdles will require innovation, collaboration, and a shared commitment to bridging the digital divide. The potential impact on India's digital landscape is profound. With enhanced connectivity, the digital divide between urban and rural areas could significantly diminish. This partnership could catalyze economic growth, foster innovation, and create new opportunities for millions of Indians. Access to high-speed internet can transform education, healthcare, agriculture, and various other sectors. Ultimately, the partnership between Starlink, Jio, and Airtel represents a bold step towards a more inclusive digital future for India. Thanks for watching. We loved sharing this journey with you. Catch us in the next video for more tech and history goodness. Until then, namaskar.